talk about power. Ooh, let me show you power. I eat boys like you for breakfast. One by one hung on a necklace. They'll always be mine. It makes me feel alive. I eat boys like you for breakfast, and I know that you tried your best. It's never said it's right, but I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm sick, yeah I'm sick, and honestly I'm getting high off it. I do you all the same magic tricks. You don't know what you don't know, but I